How do I count the occurrence of a certain item in an array? How do I count the number of zeros and ones in the following array? Y.count0 gives numpy.ndarray object has no attribute count.
Using numpy.unique. Non-numpy method using collections.counter.
What about using numpy.count_non-zero, something like
Personally, I'd go for y=0, .sum and y=1, .sum. For example,
for your case you could also look into numpy.binCount.